A veteran cruise captain with 23 years of experience just handed me a list that the cruise industry does not want you to see. He ranked 9 major cruise lines from worst to best for 2026, and what I discovered about the bottom 3 will shock you, especially if you've already booked. I'm breaking down his entire ranking system in the next 12 minutes, and if you're planning a cruise in 2026, you need to hear this before you spend a dime. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, quick context. This captain commanded ships for Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Celebrity over his career. He's seen these operations from the bridge, not the buffet line. His ranking is based on 5 criteria: safety culture, crew training, ship maintenance, passenger experience, and value for money. These are the things that actually matter when you're at sea. And if you want more insider cruise secrets like this every week, the stuff cruise lines don't advertise, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I dig through industry data, interview crew members, and reveal the truth so you don't waste your money. All right, let's start with number 9, the worst cruise line for 2026. Number 9, MSC Cruises. Now, before MSC fans come for me in the comments, let me be clear. Here's why this European cruise line lands at the bottom. MSC has been aggressively expanding into the North American market, but their safety culture and crew training standards don't match American expectations. That's not opinion. That's the reality of their rapid expansion strategy. They're hiring fast to staff new ships, and the training pipeline simply can't keep up. The result? Inconsistent crew quality. You might get excellent service on one sailing and mediocre service on the next. It's a gamble every time you book. The ships themselves are beautiful, modern, sleek, lots of amenities. But here's the critical insight. A cruise ship is only as good as the crew running it, and MSC's crew turnover and training issues are serious red flags. For 2026, if you're choosing between MSC and literally any other line on this list, pick the other line. The risk isn't worth the savings. Number 8, Carnival Cruise Line. This one surprises people because Carnival is massive. They carry more passengers than almost anyone. But here's the blunt truth. Carnival is the Walmart of cruising, and you get exactly what you pay for. Carnival targets the budget market, which means everything is designed to maximize profit, not passenger experience. The ships are packed, the nickel and diming is aggressive, and the crowd skews younger and party-focused. For the 55-plus demographic watching this channel, Carnival is probably your worst choice. The noise, the crowds, the constant upselling, it's exhausting. And here's something critical about their safety record. While they meet regulatory standards, Carnival has had more high-profile incidents, ship fires, mechanical failures, sanitation issues, than premium lines. That's not random. It's a direct reflection of maintenance culture. Bottom line, if budget is your concern, save up a bit longer and book a better line. The extra $500 to $1,000 is worth it for peace of mind and a dramatically better experience. Number 7, Norwegian Cruise Line. NCL invented freestyle cruising. No set dining times, no formal nights, total flexibility. Sounds great in theory, right? In practice, it's a double-edged sword. The flexibility appeals to some passengers, but it creates operational chaos. Restaurants get slammed at peak times, shows fill up fast, and the lack of structure feels disorganized. And NCL's nickel and diming is among the most aggressive in the industry. Their base fares look competitive, but by the time you add drinks, specialty dining, excursions, and gratuities, you're paying premium prices for a mid-tier experience. The ships themselves? Hit or miss. The newer ones like Norwegian Prima are impressive, but the older fleet is showing its age. And NCL's maintenance standards are adequate but not exceptional. You can see it in the details. The verdict? NCL isn't bad, but for 2026, there are better options in the same price range. If you're considering NCL, compare it carefully against Royal Caribbean or Celebrity. You'll likely find better value elsewhere. Number 6. Princess Cruises. Princess has a loyal following, especially among the 55-plus crowd. But here's the uncomfortable truth. They're coasting on reputation rather than innovation. Princess was once a premium leader, but they've been slow to modernize. Their ships feel dated compared to competitors, and their onboard experience hasn't evolved much in the past decade. The food is fine, but not memorable. The entertainment is safe, but not exciting. The service is polite, but not exceptional. Everything is just fine. For 2026, Princess is a safe choice if you want a traditional low-key cruise experience. But if you want innovation, modern amenities, or exceptional value, look elsewhere. Here's the real problem. Princess's pricing doesn't match the experience. You're paying near premium rates for a mid-tier product, and that's hard to justify when Celebrity or Virgin Voyages offer significantly more for similar money. If you're loyal to Princess, stick with them. But if you're open to trying something new, you'll probably be happier and get better value elsewhere. Number 5. Holland America Line. Now we're getting into the good tier. Holland America is what industry insiders call a gentleman's cruise line, refined, traditional, and purpose-built for mature travelers. Holland America targets the 55-plus demographic specifically, and it shows everywhere. The ships are elegant without being flashy, the pace is relaxed, the food is genuinely excellent, and the service is attentive without being intrusive. Holland America's safety culture is exemplary. Their officers are highly trained, their maintenance standards are strict, and their crew retention is among the best in the industry. That matters when you're at sea for days or weeks at a time. The trade-off? Holland America is traditional. If you want water slides, rock climbing walls, or Broadway shows, this isn't your line. Holland America is about enrichment lectures, classical music, and destination-focused itineraries. For 2026, Holland America is a solid choice for anyone over 55 who values elegance and tranquility over excitement. You're paying for quality, and you'll absolutely get it. Number 4. Royal Caribbean International. Royal Caribbean is the innovator of the cruise industry. They invented rock climbing walls, ice skating rinks, surf simulators, and the largest ships at sea. Royal Caribbean's operational excellence is top tier. Their safety standards are strict, their crew training is comprehensive, and their ships are meticulously maintained. These are exceptionally well-run vessels. The passenger experience is activity-packed. If you want options, tons of restaurants, shows, activities, and entertainment, Royal Caribbean delivers consistently. Their newer ships like Icon of the Seas are genuine engineering marvels, so why only number 4? 2 significant reasons. First, the crowds. Royal Caribbean ships carry 5,000 to 7,000 passengers. That's a floating city, and it can feel overwhelming, especially for the 55-plus demographic who value peace and space. Second, the aggressive upselling. While the base experience is good, Royal Caribbean pushes specialty dining, premium drinks, excursions, and upgrades relentlessly. Your final bill can balloon by thousands if you're not careful. The verdict: Royal Caribbean is an excellent choice if you want a modern, activity-filled cruise and don't mind crowds. Just budget carefully for extras, they add up fast. Number 3, Disney Cruise Line. Wait, Disney? For a 55-plus audience? Stay with me, because here's what most people don't know. Disney Cruise Line has the highest operational standards in the entire industry, period. Their safety culture is obsessive. Their crew training is the most rigorous you'll find anywhere. Their ships are immaculate, and their customer service is legendary. Disney doesn't just meet expectations, they exceed them on every single sailing. Yes, Disney targets families, but their adult-only areas, pools, restaurants, lounges, are exceptional. And the overall experience is so polished that even without kids, it's absolutely worth considering. The food rivals luxury lines. The entertainment is Broadway quality. And the attention to detail is unmatched. Everything works, everything is clean, everything is perfect, every time. The catch? Price? Disney is expensive, often 30 to 50% more than comparable lines. But here's the reality. You get what you pay for, and Disney delivers genuine value even at premium pricing. For 2026, if you want the absolute best-run cruise operation and don't mind paying for perfection, Disney is a must-book. Number 2. Virgin Voyages. Virgin Voyages is revolutionizing cruising in ways that directly benefit the 55-plus demographic, and after deep research, the hype is justified. Virgin is adults only, 18 and up, which immediately transforms the atmosphere. No kids, no chaos, just a sophisticated vibe throughout. They've rethought everything. No buffets, just multiple included restaurants with genuinely excellent food. No nickel and diming. Tips, Wi-Fi, and fitness classes are included. And sleek modern ship design that feels more boutique hotel than cruise ship. Virgin's crew training focuses on hospitality, not just service. The difference is immediately noticeable. Crew members are engaged, friendly, and genuinely seem to enjoy their jobs. That energy is infectious. The ships themselves are stunning, built with current technology from day one, not retrofitted like older vessels. And the value proposition is incredible. You're getting near luxury quality at mid-premium prices. Virgin's only limitation? Limited itineraries. They're still a young company with a small fleet, so destination options are more restricted than established lines. But if they sail where you want to go, Virgin should be at the top of your list for 2026. And now, number 1, Celebrity Cruises. Celebrity Cruises is the best overall cruise line for 2026, and here's why this ranking is so definitive. Celebrity hits the sweet spot between luxury and value. Their ships are modern and beautifully designed. Think boutique hotel at sea, not floating resort. The atmosphere is sophisticated without being stuffy, refined without being pretentious. The food is exceptional. Celebrity's main dining room rivals specialty restaurants on other lines, and their specialty venues are genuinely world-class. This isn't buffet food dressed up, it's legitimate culinary excellence. Celebrity's crew training and retention are industry-leading. The service feels personal and attentive because crew members actually stay with the company long-term. You're not dealing with constant turnover and inexperienced staff. And here's the critical factor. Celebrity's safety culture and operational standards match Disney's, but at significantly lower prices. You're getting top-tier operations without the Disney premium. Celebrity targets the 50-plus demographic specifically, and it shows in every detail. The pace is relaxed, the entertainment is sophisticated, the enrichment programs are excellent, and the overall vibe is exactly what mature travelers want. For 2026, Celebrity offers the best combination of quality, value, and experience in the entire cruise industry. If you're booking one cruise next year and want the safest bet for an exceptional experience, Celebrity is the answer. So there you have it. 9 cruise lines ranked from worst to best for 2026, based on insider knowledge from a veteran captain who's seen it all from the bridge. If you found this ranking helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment telling me which cruise line you're booking for 2026, or which one you're avoiding after watching this video. And if you want more insider cruise secrets, money-saving hacks, and industry truths that cruise lines don't want you to know, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm posting new videos every week to help you cruise smarter and avoid expensive mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.